Introducing Redmi Pad in the color Graphite Gray. It is also available in Moonlight Silver and Mint Green color variants. The tablet has 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, can be expandable up to 1TB with SD card. Binge through your favorite shows, movies and books on the large 26.95cm, 10.61-inch, 2K resolution and 1 billion colors display. It has a highly responsive 90Hz refresh rate. The built-in eye care protection ensures your eyes don't tire even after long hours of usage. Capture your moments with 8-megapixel rear camera with full HD recording and 8-megapixel front camera with 105 FOV. Zip through games, documents and multitasking. Do without breaking a sweat with MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor. Enjoy long-lasting battery life with an 8000 mAh battery. The box includes tablet, adapter, USB-C type cable, SD card ejector, quick start guide and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.